Hi everyone, Steve here. So I'm going to be running a test tonight to actually use my CPAP. The Anker SOLIX C2000 Gen 2 has been recharged to 100% after using it today. So my goal is to run the CPAP all night. Now, as a benchmark, in the past, I've tried to run my CPAP the whole night on a C300 DC. I made it about 6 to 7 hours, but that was without any type of climate control and strictly just air blowing over the water through the CPAP. This is going to be full climate control. I'm going to start very shortly as soon as I go to bed. I'm going to keep this thing on, and I'll report back to you guys and see how everything goes. I'll catch you in the morning. All right, guys, so I wanted to report the C2000 Gen 2. So after 8 hours of sleep, my machine easily would be able to do, based on the results, 3 nights. In my situation, it would be a 4th night. Let me show you guys the result. So that's after 8 hours, and we're at 79%. So all in all, obviously I knew the C2000 Gen 2 could run the CPAP overnight, no problem. What I wasn't sure of is how long it could do it based on the climate control. Now, I do want to say that even though in my situation I used just over 20%, I could potentially get 4 nights out of this. I would say comfortably anyone should be able to get 3 nights of usage out of the C2000 Gen 2 using a CPAP. But I do want to mention, it's very important to remember that the climate control inside the unit will also react to the conditions in your home. So if it just happens to be in the winter months and you live in the Northeast like I do, or anywhere in the North, and the room is colder and the room is drier, you're actually potentially the CPAP is going to actually kick on and do more of the heating. And so the heating in the machine itself, the heating element, or the heating in the tubing, which is what mine has, heated tubing, will also kick on more, which will also of course affect your output. But again, 3 nights, no problem, and in some cases you should be able to get a 4th night. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.